This is going to be a tough third period to hang on and make sure you take control of the puck and get it deep and get the time going.
Here's Scheifele, leave it for Connor. Why not? What a move in front. Scheifele scores! Kyle Connor is on fire now. What a terrific move to set up Scheifele, and 28 seconds into the third period, it's 5-2.
Well, that's one way to try to walk this thing home. Peter Laviolette can't believe. Great individual effort. You realize you got a center iceman back in Johansson, and he doesn't play it like a defenseman would. So a good pickup by Connor. Put it between the legs. Look at no stick by Johansson. Now all of a sudden the adjustment by Subban. He moves his stick out of the passing lane. And how about Scheifele?
So the Scheifele line is out for Winnipeg. Up against Johansson, Arvidsson, Forsberg. Here's Scheifele dropping it off. Kyle Connor to work. Scheifele scores! What a two-on-one play. Kyle Connor back to Scheifele. And it's a 3-goal lead again for Winnipeg.
I mean, this is just something else. Nice play in the neutral zone here by Blake Wheeler to kick it to Scheifele. And then watch this. Through the legs, excuse me. And then right to Scheifele. This is something special by Kyle Connor. I mean, you talk about a guy that has ability and just needed to kind of break out. Well, he's done that here tonight. A fantastic feed, no mistake made by Scheifele.